Most people think car maintenance is expensive and complicated. But 90% of costly repairs happen because of tiny, preventable mistakes you can fix in minutes. Tonight, I'm going to show you tested tricks mechanics swear by, tricks that stop rust, silent electrical failures, frozen locks, and squeaky parts before they turn into a 1,000 repair. If you drive a car, even occasionally, missing these could cost you big. Number 20. To keep your ignition dry. It's a rainy morning. You turn the key, and nothing happens. The engine coughs, but the battery is fine. Most drivers assume it's dead, but the real culprit is water sneaking into ignition components. Moisture in spark plug boots or coil packs stops electricity from flowing correctly. Pop the hood. Spray a small amount of water, displacing lubricant on spark plug boots, ignition coils, and distributor caps. Let it sit for a minute, then start the car. Your engine should roar back to life. If you live in a rainy or humid area, make this a monthly habit. It prevents misfires and keeps your car starting reliably. Next, we're going to tackle what ice does to your locks. Number 19. To free frozen locks safely, freezing temperatures arrive, and your key won't turn. Forcing it can snap the key or jam the cylinder. Don't pour hot water, it'll refreeze. Instead, spray WD-40 or water, displacing lubricant directly into the keyhole. Wait a few seconds, then gently turn the key. Wipe excess spray, and apply silicone spray for long-term freeze prevention. This simple trick saves broken keys and locksmith bills. Up next, we're dealing with rusted bolts, one of the most frustrating garage nightmares. Number 18. To loosen rusted bolts and spark plugs. You're halfway through a repair when a bolt won't budge. Brute force can snap it, making the job a 500 disaster. Spray lubricant on the bolt or spark plug threads and let it soak for 10-15 minutes. Tap lightly with a wrench or hammer to help penetration. Then turn slowly, you'll feel it loosen. Prevent rust by coating exposed bolts with a thin layer of lubricant during every service. It keeps fasteners free and saves hours of frustration. Next, let's stop rust before it starts. Number 17. Prevent rust on exposed metal. Rust spreads silently, especially on undercarriages, suspension parts, and door hinges. Rain, salt, and dirt are the perfect combination for metal corrosion. Apply a thin layer of lubricant to any bare metal. Wheel wells, suspension arms, tools, door hinges. Cover them all. Reapply every few months, especially before winter. This forms a protective barrier that repels water and oxygen, keeping rust from forming. Coming up, your car's electrical system is more fragile than you think. Number 16. Protect electrical connectors. One tiny corroded connector can cause mysterious dashboard lights, weak starts, or random engine misfires. Spray a light coat of WD-40 or water, displacing spray on unplugged connectors, battery terminals, and trailer plugs. Follow up with dielectric grease for long-term protection. Result: clean, reliable electrical flow, fewer warning lights, and less guesswork diagnosing faults. Next, we're going to restore your headlights' shine before they reduce night visibility. Number 15. Gotta restore cloudy headlights. Foggy, yellow headlights aren't just ugly, they're dangerous. Oxidation reduces light output and can blind oncoming drivers. Wash and dry your headlights. Lightly spray a lubricant, then wipe with a microfiber cloth. The haze disappears, light shines brighter, and water slides off the surface. Use this as a temporary fix before inspections or road trips. Permanent kits exist, but this takes seconds and avoids costly replacements. Now, let's remove sticky, baked on grime. Number 14. Remove tree sap, tar, and road grime. Sticky sap or tar can ruin your paint if scrubbed incorrectly. Scratches happen fast, and clear coats cost hundreds to repair. Spray lubricant on the spot. Let it sit for a minute to break down the residue. Wipe gently with a microfiber cloth, repeat if necessary, then wash with soap and water. Your paint stays glossy, smooth, and scratch-free. Next, old stickers and adhesives. Number 13. Remove old stickers and residue. Peeling off stickers leaves behind a sticky nightmare. Scraping can damage paint. Spray directly on the sticker, let it soak, peel gently, and wipe any remaining glue with a microfiber cloth. For stubborn spots, repeat. Finish with a soap and water wash. Your surfaces look brand new: paint, glass, or trim. Next, let's talk about rusty license plate screws. Number 12. May clean rusty license plate screws. Orange stains and seized screws make your car look neglected. Ignoring them leads to snapped screws during removal. Spray the screws and surrounding edges. Let it sit a few minutes, scrub with a toothbrush, then wipe clean. Coat lightly again for long-term protection. Your car looks cared for, and next time, removing screws is easy. Number 11. Silent squeaky door hinges. That squeak isn't just annoying. It wears down hinge pins and can misalign your door over time. Spray lubricant on hinges. Open and close doors multiple times to work it in. Wipe excess. Do this every few months and avoid body shop bills. Next, fuel door latches, another hidden annoyance. Number 10. Keep fuel door hinges moving. A stuck fuel door is frustrating, and forcing it can bend the hinge. Spray hinges and latch mechanism lightly, then open and close several times. Wipe any extra. The door glides freely, preventing expensive latch replacements. Now, window tracks are a silent killer of smooth operation. Number 9. Lubricate window tracks. Power windows dragging. Motor replacement isn't always needed. Dirt and dried grease often cause friction. Spray lubricant along the track. Roll windows up and down to distribute evenly. Finish with a silicone spray to keep rubber soft. Smooth operation protects motors and reduces noise. Next, wiper blades. They see the worst weather. Number 8. Condition wiper blades. Chattering or streaking wipers reduce visibility and safety. Clean wipers, then wipe with a cloth sprayed with lubricant. Flexibility returns, streaking stops. Repeat every few weeks for consistent performance. Now, your dashboard plastics could use some love. Number 7. To clean and shine dashboard plastics, dust and grime age interiors. Harsh cleaners leave chemical smells or grease. Solution: spray lubricant on a cloth and wipe dashboard, door panels, and console. Use a brush for vents and textured areas. The resulting satin finish, anti-static layer, and dust repellent effect. Next, sticky interior messes. Number 6. Remove crayon, gum and sticky residue, messy kids, sticky snacks. Normal cleaners fail, spray the spot, let it sit, gently lift with a scraper or cloth. Blot for carpets to avoid pushing residue deeper. Works on vinyl, leather, and upholstery safely. Next, your rubber weather seals need attention. Number 5. Protect rubber weather seals. Dry, cracked seals invite leaks, noise, and wind drafts. Clean seals. Wipe with lubricant, and leave a moisture-resistant layer. Prevents cracks, keeps doors and trunks sealed tight. Next, battery terminal corrosion, a silent killer of starts. Number 4. Stop battery terminal corrosion. White or green buildup weakens electrical flow, dims headlights, and damages alternators. Disconnect cables, spray terminals, scrub gently, then reconnect and coat lightly. Prevents weak starts and mysterious electrical faults. Next, undercarriage protection, a step most drivers skip. Number 3. Shield undercarriage components. Exposed undercarriage parts endure rain, mud, and salt. Rust spreads fast, seizing bolts and bushings. Spray exposed parts, especially suspension joints, frame edges, and wheel wells. Reapply every few months. This doubles component lifespan and saves costly repairs. Now, the ultimate tip for emergency situations. Number 2. Emergency flood restart. After driving through deep water, your car stalls. Cranking can destroy the engine if water entered cylinders. Spray ignition components generously. Wait a minute, then start. Most cars fire right up. Keep a small can in your glove box. It could be the difference between getting home and being stranded. Finally, the tip mechanics rarely share. Number 1. Maintain long-term lubrication habits. The most overlooked maintenance is consistent care. Tiny actions like lubricating hinges, seals, connectors, and fasteners monthly prevent hundreds or thousands in repairs. Combine these routines with regular inspections. One small habit today saves big headaches tomorrow. These 20 tips aren't gimmicks, they're shop-tested, expert-approved, and proven over years. A few minutes of maintenance now prevents costly, stressful repairs later. Don't wait until it's too late. Save money, save frustration, and keep your car running like new.